Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing industries and reshaping career landscapes. As businesses integrate AI to improve efficiency and foster innovation, understanding AI becomes crucial for career development. Whether you're looking to specialize in AI or secure your future, learning about AI is a wise decision. The AI field is rapidly growing, with a global talent shortage making these skills highly sought after. Companies across various sectors are eager to hire AI experts, offering lucrative and fulfilling roles. Mastering AI can set you apart in a competitive job market and open doors to high-paying opportunities. AI enhances problem-solving and analytical skills, requiring an understanding of algorithms and data analysis. It trains you to approach challenges methodically, boosting your decision-making abilities. These skills are invaluable across professions, allowing you to make impactful contributions to business outcomes. AI's versatility spans industries, from manufacturing and healthcare to finance and entertainment. Understanding AI principles makes you a valuable asset in numerous fields, significantly broadening your career prospects and enabling you to work in dynamic environments. For entrepreneurs, AI knowledge unlocks innovation potential. It allows for the development of smarter products and efficient workflows. With AI, small businesses can automate tasks and make data-driven decisions, enabling them to compete effectively and scale rapidly in competitive markets. AI is transforming job roles by automating routine tasks, making it crucial for professionals to adapt. Familiarity with AI ensures relevance by helping you leverage AI tools effectively, thus enhancing efficiency in your role. Understanding AI positions you to lead in the digital transformation era. AI skills are essential for building a future-proof career. As AI continues to evolve, these skills remain in high demand, ensuring long-term job security and adaptability. By learning AI now, you equip yourself with a skill set that will remain relevant as technology advances. AI training promotes data literacy, a crucial skill in today's data-driven world. Understanding data collection, cleaning, and analysis enriches your skill set beyond AI-specific roles. Proficiency in AI tools boosts your digital capabilities, benefiting careers across tech-driven industries. AI knowledge opens the door to cutting-edge technology roles. Engaging with advanced technologies like machine learning and robotics offers exciting challenges and innovation opportunities. Learning AI allows exploration into fields like autonomous systems and AI ethics, expanding your career potential. AI improves project management and leadership skills through data analysis and resource optimization. Understanding AI tools aids in managing projects efficiently. For aspiring leaders, AI knowledge is key to strategic technology adoption and implementation within organizations. AI expertise enhances global career prospects, with major tech hubs worldwide seeking skilled professionals. AI skills make you a competitive candidate in the international job market, offering opportunities to work in diverse settings and gain global exposure. Investing in AI education is investing in your future, providing a competitive edge in the digital world. AI skills enable pursuit of high-paying roles and valuable problem-solving abilities. Whether a tech enthusiast or entrepreneur, AI learning prepares you for an AI-powered future. Are you ready to embark on your AI journey? Our courses at the IELTS and ITS Skills Center offer a comprehensive foundation in AI principles and tools. Enroll today to equip yourself with the skills needed to succeed in this exciting field and take a step toward an AI-empowered career.